guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday. We're uploading a day late because you guys, this package came in the mail and y'all know that we had to swatch it. So anyways, Huda Beauty is coming out with a new Demi Matte lipstick formula, and you guys know that I live for like lips that are comfortable but still liquid lipstick, you know what I mean? So anyways, we're going to be doing a full lip swatch video. I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts and opinions. I've been testing out one shade, but I'm going to test out another one tomorrow, and so I'll keep you guys updated in the comments if anything changes. But yeah, I'm very excited for this video and to show you all these lipsticks. But really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe. So the link is down below. And then also make sure that you guys do click the bell notification so you are notified as soon as my videos go live. We post 3 times a week, on Wednesdays, on Fridays, and then every single Monday we do mail hauls with new items that are releasing in makeup. But the lipsticks from Huda Beauty, they had to be their own video because I was so excited about them. So these colors look absolutely stunning. We're going to swatch them all on the lips. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this package. So here's how it came. It came in this little box. Not really little, but I like to say little boxes for some reason. And here we have Huda and all these different photo shoots with the different names of the lipsticks. Also, you guys, my lashes are being really wonky today because I had to take them off one time, so just ignore that. And then here's the other side with, again, just more photo shoots. Huda is so freaking gorgeous. And in every single one, I think she's actually wearing the lipsticks that are on the bottom. Here is what the package looks like. So it has all of the different lipsticks, and they actually are like in a little square with their shade name. Oh, let me see if I can turn it over so you guys can see it in full. This might not be the most beautiful angle, but hopefully you can see it. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. I really like it because it's her typical packaging with the lips on it, but it's actually completely see-through. So this is the new packaging, or not new packaging, but the packaging for the Demi Mattes. I don't know if she's going to be changing her normal packaging. I think it's black typically. Okay, so let's read what it says and then we will get started into swatching. So it says, inspired by Huda's love for self-expression through makeup, Huda Beauty Demi Matte is a bold cream lipstick showcasing a full spectrum of ultra feminine colors to complement every one of your alter egos. Saturated in pigment and rich and creamy texture, glides on with an intense color release from first swipe, which I can definitely vouch for because I am wearing it on my lips. The lacquer-like sheen highlights the curves of your lips, while a hint of mint in the formula naturally enhances the fullness of your pout. That is so funny because when I was wearing it earlier, I'm like, my lips feel kind of tingly, minty even. Enriched with a maxi lip for extreme comfort, Demi Matte sets a satin finish that lasts for hours without dehydrating the lips. Faithful to her versatile use, Huda likes to blot her lips after application to mute the shine and achieve an even more matte, almost stainy finish. So yeah, they're going to be available July 29th. I'm not sure the price, but if I find out before this video goes live, I'll link it down below. But I'm excited to put these on my lips, so let's get to swatching. so aftermath of all those lip swatches, my lips actually still feel very good. My eyelash held on for dear life during all the swatches, and we're good to go. So I am absolutely obsessed with this formula. There's something about me where I just got out of the liquid lipstick phase. I like something that stays a long time, but I really want it to be comfortable and like I can rub my lips together and it's moisturizing. And I'm honestly kind of into the whole like it's not stay put, like it's probably going to transfer on a little bit of stuff. I just don't like the super matte type lips nowadays. I really like the NARS ones that I just recently showed. I think I did a lip swatch video of those too. But these, I'm going to say this. I think this is hands down one of my favorite formulas. Now, I did wear one today and it did last a very long time. I don't love the mint type feel when people do that in lipsticks just because it's like a cooling feeling that it's just like different. I don't have a lot of lipsticks that are like that. I don't really do the plumping lipsticks, but I think like it said in the package that it is supposed to like make your lips like plump. So don't mind it. It's not overpowering where I'm like, oh my gosh, my lips are like on fire or they're tingling. It's just noticeable it's there. But I loved all the shades. I thought they were absolutely beautiful. I loved pretty much all the shades are very, very wearable. I wish they would have did like a bright coral in there. But yeah, I am obsessed. I don't know what else to say. But as far as it goes, I do want to kind of go through a few things. So here's what the packaging looks like. As you guys saw, I did hold this up close in all the shots. So when you open it up, the applicator is a little bit different than some of them. It's a doe foot applicator, but it's almost like has a curve and then kind of goes straight down. Hopefully you guys can see that. See, it just has a curve and then it goes straight down. As you guys saw in the lip swatch videos, I didn't really have to dip back in to get a second layer. All of them were very pigmented right off the bat. Now, sometimes I feel like when companies release a huge shade of different colors, some of them can be streaky or, you know what I mean? There's just a couple duds, but I really feel like in this collection that there aren't any duds. I loved all of them. Even like the purple shade, this one right here, normally that kind of shade can be streaky in other formulas. I think I have a Too Faced one that is a little bit streaky, or not necessarily streaky, but you have to do more than one layer to kind of really get the bang for your buck, like the pigmentation. But these were just one swipe, you're done. You don't have to re-dip back into the applicator. You can kind of carve out your lips. I didn't have to use lip liner, which I like. The less steps, the better for me. But again, I'm obsessed. The formula is so, so comfortable. Like, you guys have to at least try one because I could sleep in this. I could wear it all day long. It's just so comfortable on the lips. And yeah, I really don't know why my hair gets messed up like that, but I really feel like this is going to be like my #1 lipstick for the year, and it's going to be my new favorite. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited that Huda did that because I loved her liquid lipsticks, but like I said, I'm just kind of gearing more toward liking that glossy-ish look, but just more of like a comfortable feel. And she knocked it out of the park. I also love this color. I feel like I could see myself wearing it a lot. I normally don't wear like super bold colors, but even the bold ones in this collection, like this one right here, the really dark one, this is going to be a winter shade for me. I just think sometimes when you have something that has a little bit of gloss in it, it makes it even more wearable. Like sometimes the super matte finishes can make it, I don't know, like a little bit intimidating, or it can make it look more bold than it is. So yeah, absolutely love these. I'll leave a comment down below because like I said, I'm going to do another wear test tomorrow for the day. So I'll let you know if anything changes on my thoughts. But as of now, obsessed. Can't get enough. I'm going to put all of these in my purse because I love them that much and I want to wear them. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what was your favorite shade. Do you think you would like this formula? Are you still team liquid lipsticks, or do you like more of like a kind of glossy, more comfortable look? Let me know. Let's chat in the comments. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much to Huda Beauty for this amazing package. I am so, so grateful. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.